Hello guys, my name is Cookie Monster here, and today I'm going to show you my slimes that I made. Look at these. This one's the dark yellow one. It's stretchy, but it rips. Yeah. I have my slime collections right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. So let's go with this one next. This one's my favorite slime. It's so glossy. And it's so stretchy. Alright. I never made a video in a long time ago. I'm sorry, because of the not enough memories. This one's I remember this. I made it just today, and it worked out really nicely. And it's awesome. Well, on to the next slime. What else? This one. This one's like my favorite one. It looks like Rainbow Dash, but it's not, right? This one's my favorite rainbow pattern slime. It's the code of it, like breaking the code. Alright, on to the next slimes. Alright, this was the tiny green one. I left it on the bar in the house and out of my apartment. And it's not stretchy. It was supposed to be stretchy, but now it's like this. Yeah, it's not good anymore. Alright. 3 more to go.
But this is right.
Huh. Thanks. This one's so stretchy. I made it today as well.
If it didn't cost over 50, I might just wait till the morning to go buy. Because I got 50 in there. I just went there. Huh?
Alright. The next slime.
I thought you didn't have your card.
I did it with the scented marker, yellow, and it's like light. Yeah, I don't like it. It's horrible.
Oh, I can transfer to that man.
The last slime is the pink one. It was supposed to be like stretchy, but now it's like this.
No, that's what I use.
Well,
That's all it for my slimes. Bye.
$30 and I bought your cigarettes.